So Daren, we're not the only shower system manufacturer out there. There is competition,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So how do we stack up to that competition?
Wow, that's a great question. I think we do very well. There are some fantastic manufacturers out there that make fantastic products. However, they are antiquated. There's too many pieces. A lot of times they don't cut or react the same way that our products do. If you want to talk about sheet membranes and corners and coves and different methods of waterproofing, we have all of that in our quiver, if you will. But as our shower system that you see today stacks up to others like it, it is much, much easier to understand and install. There are competitors out there that implement sheet membranes that go over pieces of board like we have here that you just don't need to do with our system. It's already been pre-treated. It's already been, given all the necessary aptitude to be applied to the wall just how it is out of the box. I think that's probably the biggest thing about the HydroBand shower system opposed to the other competitors that are out there. Again, they make great products. They do virtually the same thing, but you almost have this level of you almost have to know how to do it ahead of time or have done it ahead of time. So you're going to spin your wheels a couple times with the competitors, as opposed to our system is so simple. You can literally take it out of the box, see how it's supposed to work from the basic instruction that we give you, and apply it to the wall with virtual ease, and the assembly itself is very, very easy to understand.
And far less parts to ours, correct?
Far less parts, yes. They would have the same amount of parts, plus different scrims, different corners and coves, different pipe collars and penetration collars that they would have to implement, where our system is already pre-treated. It's all ready to go out of the box.
No need to add any waterproofing to it.
Nope.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Absolutely.
That's sweet, man. Because we get a lot of questions in the field, surrounding how is our stuff better or how is our stuff, doesn't add up. But this is a great conversation because it really helps to set the record straight, right?
It is a better system in totality for a couple of other reasons as well. We also, unlike our competitors, can create an entire system for you that's warrantyable through and through. So if you use our thin sets, our grouts, our waterproof membranes, our shower system, we will cover that job for a 5, 10, 25 or lifetime in terms of a residential setting, and that would cover your labor, your demo, your reinstallation, your tile, and then we would re-warranty that project for another amount of time based upon the system you're using.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And that would also be applicable in a commercial context too, like a hotel.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm. Usually hotels are a little bit more substantial with the products that they use, but yes, absolutely. You could fit a commercial project, a residential project into some formatted system that we have for you, and it would be a total system from soup to nuts.
Great.